A disaster always begins at the local level and rolls upward if local resources are insufficient. But how does the Corps of Engineers get involved? When the President declares a federal disaster, it activates a network of assistance. The Stafford Act gives FEMA the lead, with help from contributing agencies, while the National Response Framework assigns specific roles and responsibilities to each of these federal agencies. These designations are called Emergency Support Functions, or ESFs. The Corps of Engineers oversees ESF-3, Public Works and Engineering, and its mission sets include debris removal and clearance, temporary emergency power, temporary housing, temporary roofing, and infrastructure assessment. The Corps also lends trained personnel to support other ESFs, such as ESF-9 Search and Rescue, when FEMA activates them. Corps responders deploy in two ways, as part of a functional ESF-3 CADRE or as part of a Planning and Response Team, or PRT. Each mission area has its own dedicated PRTs. To engage the PRTs, FEMA issues mission assignments to the Corps. When a disaster event might result in FEMA mission assignments, or when a threat is imminent, PRTs are placed on alert. Once on alert, PRTs must be ready to deploy within 6 hours. ESF-3 CADREs include team leaders, assistant team leaders, and local government liaisons. The Team Leader and Assistant Team Leader CADRE is an interdisciplinary team specially trained on the National Response Framework and ESF-3 missions. The team leaders, in coordination with the USACE-supported organization, are authorized to accept and negotiate mission assignments, or MAs, from FEMA. The TL and ATL form the ESF-3 Management Cell. Each mission area also has designated subject matter experts who can deploy if needed. The Local Government Liaison CADRE is also a specially trained interdisciplinary team. They deploy primarily to local or county EOCs and serve as the initial USACE point person at this level to explain USACE's roles and responsibilities in our programs, but do not commit USACE or the government to any work for the state or locals. The District Emergency Operations Center, or EOC, is central in a Corps disaster response. The main responsibility of the impacted EOC is to serve as the focal point for all disaster-related information during an event. The district that is coordinating the Corps response is called the supported district, while districts providing support are called supporting districts. When a disaster is declared, FEMA quickly establishes a Joint Field Office, or JFO, near the event location and assigns a federal coordinating officer as lead. The JFO houses all ESFs supporting the response, including the ESF-3 Management Cell. For long-term Corps missions, FEMA may issue a mission assignment for a Recovery Field Office, or RFO. The RFO mission assignment provides funds to rent a building. There are no salaries associated with the RFO mission assignment. The function of the supported district's leadership is to lead and manage the missions. Leadership and management occur from either the district office, a USACE-owned facility near the JFO if there is room, or a facility rented separately. Co-locating with the JFO is the least efficient option due to USACE and FEMA operating elements being too close together and creating a situation where the workers have too free access to each other, resulting in inefficient operations. Regardless, the supported district leads and manages the missions and provides upward reporting regardless of the building from which it occurs. Managing a disaster in many ways mirrors a typical district organization, except that the funds used to manage the disaster are dedicated solely to the management and execution of the FEMA mission assignments, again, regardless of the building or facility from which the management occurs. The key responsibilities of the supported district are mission execution, reporting, financial management, and emergency contracting coordination. To better oversee the recovery work performed by Corps contractors in a geographically separated long-term mission, the supported district may establish Emergency Field Offices, or EFOs. EFOs are subordinate field offices under the RFO mission assignment and must be approved by FEMA. They are used to manage geographically dispersed larger recovery missions, such as debris removal, temporary housing, and temporary roofing, as well as missions requiring a large workforce in the field. To better understand each mission under ESF-3, consider watching the ATL online course at rsc.usace.army.mil/training/ATL. Next, we'll learn about Public Law 8499.